Welcome to the ASTRO, and in this Python Jupyter Notebook tutorial, you are going to learn that how to change font size uh, of the heading in the notebook. So, for example, you have this font size. How to change font size Jupyter Notebook? Okay, so you want to change the font size. So, for doing that, what you do? You just go to your heading and add one more hash. See, its font size is decreasing. Okay, so this way you can do. So add one more and it will decrease. Font size also its font style has been changed. So this way, so this is for 2, this is for 3, so this is for 4, and if you do fifth one, then the font style has been changed. Let's see what happens if you do it 6 times. Okay, one more. Okay, so only 6 are allows. Okay, so this way you can change your font size in your notebook.